What's going on, everyone? Today is July the 15th, 2020. We're going to talk about Nikola today and try to figure out why would this stock fizzle out. It's been on a fantastic run. It kind of make you wonder if there was a short squeeze in play right now in Nikola. Could be. I mean, the market was recently trading going back to the beginning of June. It was at 55 cents. 55 cents. And in the next couple of weeks, the market topped out around $3. Take a look. If you bought on the low in Nikola on June the 6th and you sold at the high, that's 444% run up. And they said that you cannot make money in the stock market unless you hold it for generations and decades. You just made 444% in a couple of weeks. That's bananas. That's asinine. That's crazy. Where else can you get that run in such a short amount of time? Crypto? I know some of you may think that, but let's get back to the charts because I did a video in Nikola all the way back on December the 21st, 2022. I'm zooming out the chart because you guys can see I didn't do a price prediction because I said that this stock was dead. I said that the market was completely trending down. There wasn't no emphasis on market buying coming through. Every time we did see buyers, market got rejected on this downtrend line. So I said we will have to wait and see until price breaks that downtrend line. And as you all can tell, I'm going to extend this down. And I think you guys can see when did that occur. When did the market in Nikola break that downtrend? So let me put a couple of weekly charts on here. So I would say on this 3-weekly price bar, May 30th, 2023 is when it began. This is the one that the market broke outside of that downtrend. So it started all the way back in February. Well, I would say this downtrend started taking it all the way back in June 2020. Now we're switching. The market's no longer trending down in Nikola. Great, fantastic. So what we need to do is we're going to transpose that downtrend and utilize it for the current trend. Okay. So this is the current trend into the market in Nikola. Nice and easy, nice and simple. Let's not make this game complicated because it's not meant to be complicated. Because if this game truly was complicated, then there wouldn't be so many people on YouTube doing these stock videos. Now, would they? They're making it simple so that they can continue to pillage the funds from the retail establishment. That's why they have so many YouTubers, because the entry into looking at stocks and trying to invest and trade is so simple, but yet so many people lose. Makes you wonder. So now, the reason why Nikola is fizzling out is because of his massive run. Now, I'm not trying to tell you that that run is over. No, because this stock is still trending. Take a look. As long as Nikola holds this trend line, price will forever go up. Forever. So yes, from this perspective, Nikola is still due to go higher. But as I told you earlier in the video, 444%, you'll be crazy not to at least take something off the table of your profit. That is what's going on. We have market participants taking profit in Nikola. Okay, so check this out. This is where the battle lines are drawn. Sellers are up here at 3. Buyers needs to come in on that ascending line. Simple, right? Okay, cool. Now I'm going to break down this 2-day price bar to see if buyers came in the market in Nikola right here. So the buyers came in on December 13, 2022. They came in and they also came in again right there. Okay. Zoom it in so you guys can see it. Just like they did in December 2022. So far, support is at $2 in Nikola. Now let's break this down on the 90-minute chart. Okay, I want to see the buyers coming in the market. Can you see where the buyers came into the market right now on the 90-minute chart? You should be able to see it because the sellers started their selling here. This is where the sellers came into the market in Nikola right there. The volume substantiates that. Buyers and sellers were mixed in on this next 90-minute chart, 90-minute price bar. But they definitely came in here. This is where the buyers came in. Okay. Here it is on the 30. That's where the buyers came in. Because since this 30-minute price bar, market did not go down. That tells you that that's where the buyers entered. So the question now lies, is the market in Nikola still going to go higher? Because right here, this is just fascinating how you can break this down once you understand what you're looking at. We saw this market in Nikola break below 240, right? The market in Nikola broke below 240 on this 15-minute price bar, which is very important because when you look to the left of the chart, the market held 240. It even closed and opened at $2.40 here. So the buyers were initially buying Nikola right there. Price ran up, and then once we fell on weakness on 15 minutes, the market in Nikola continued to get rejected right there on this 15-minute price bar. So like if you were a scalper, if you were trying to intraday trade the market in Nikola, that's how you're able to do this. Once you saw the market in Nikola break this 240 on weakness, you should have shorted the market. And your confirmation was had right here on this 15-minute price bar when the market attempted to break above 240, but it didn't do it. This was your confirmation to short. Yep. And since that duration, the market in Nikola fell. It's just that easy. Let's not make this game complicated nor hard. So the thing is, on a daily chart, yes, the market in Nikola is still bullish. But when you try to answer this question, the question is it now buyable? Like, would you come in and buy Nikola at 225 now, or would you wait until you get more confirmation like I've shown you on the 15-minute chart? Should we wait? Because this volume is definitely going to have to be contend with. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait. I may come back in early next week to do another video. For Nikola. Because I want to continue to see market hold $2. Okay, so let me do this. I just wanted to show you for real on this video how you can tell whether or not a stock is fizzling out, and currently it is, but I'm also seeing buyers coming in around $2 and $2.40. So that tells me that in order to time the perfect entry, we need to get more confirmation into the market in Nikola. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to relax, chill out, and I really want to see on maybe Monday or Tuesday of next week to see how this price action evolves, because the market currently, looking at this price bar, is definitely telling me that there's some weakness coming through. But if this stock is being short squeezed, this selling is not going to be, to me, it's not going to put any dent into the strength that the stock currently is on. Okay. So in that grand scheme of things, let me see, it might even be worth me to put on a prediction as I'm thinking to myself. Because as long as the market in Nikola holds that trend line, like I told you earlier in the video, we can anticipate the market to continue to go higher, right? And I'll go ahead and do my first target. It's going to be 250. That is 11%. My Second target is going to be 275, which is 21 3/4. My third target is going to be $3 again in a nickel, because I still think that there's a lot of demand pent up into the stock right now, given all the immense amount of volume, and even off of these weakness bars, the market in Nikola still didn't go down. This kind of lets me know also that there is a short squeeze currently going on, and that the market participants, those who are short, they're trying to keep the market from really exploding. And that's why this volume is on a massive increase right now. Okay, so let's just see how the market works. Let's do that. Give me your thoughts on how you think the market in Nikola is going to trade. We'd love to hear your impressions about what do you think the market is about to do. Do you think it is a short squeeze? Let me know, because off the volume, off the price action, off of how price in Nikola hasn't reacted negatively to all of these fake price bars being garnered on the chart, it leads me to think that, yeah, this stock is being short squeezed, especially when just a couple of weeks ago it was trading around 50 cents. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.